my video. Awesome! Let me pause it. Welcome to my office. This is where I do my projects at school. There's a lot of projects right here. That's wonderful. Like this piggy bank. Wow! It's recycled from a bottle, a Vento bottle. Very good. This is where I put my money that I get from selling my Addis Buddies pastillas. It's so yummy. Nice. And see the whole. This is where I put my money. You know piggy banks? And guess what we're making of my project? It's not a pig. It's not a papered mouse. It's not a yacht. A papered yacht. It's not a paper plane. And it's not a jellyfish. You'll never know it. It's clear. That's funny. Let's keep talking.
I'm thinking that it will change my mind.
Wait, that's not. Wait, guys, we're gonna use these materials for making this project. We need the green paper, or you can use white paper if you want. But for me, I'm using green paper. Okie dokie. And some paints. And this one is the color blue, and this one's the color yellow. And we need a paintbrush to put it in this one. We're gonna mix it, and it will become the color green, like the paper. Whoa! So let's put it in the stick. And you can use some bottle cups for the vase. Like you can use the green one, you can use the red one, or you can use the pink one. For me, I'm using the pink one because it's so cute. Hello. And we need some Play-Doh for the soil, or you can use real soil. And the tea bag. Woo. I'm lowering up the tea bag. Woo! What do we got? No, some sand. That's funny. Let's see. Right there. It looks like a real bag. And some of this clear coat. That's interesting. It's from my mom. She's using it actually for, I don't know. And we got like a pencil to draw. And we got some scissors to cut. Be careful, because don't do it. Because you're going to cut it and see blood from you. That's scary. Ah, that's a monster. Now let's do it right now. Let's draw the leaves right now. Let's do some itty bitty ones, but not too small like this. Not too small like that. Let's do it a little bit bigger, okay? I was covering the paper. So, do a straight line. So I don't have to do a straight line because I'm so little. And then do near and go far, go near, and go up, and then it's okay if you do like this, near and then far, and then a little bit near, but not like this. Just okay, children. Very good. That's funny. And then done. Let's do another one. Let's do a proper one. Since this one. What happened this one. Since let's do around like 8 or 6. But for me, it's 8. For you, what is it? I don't know what you're talking about. 8 or 6, 8 or 6. Maybe 6. Because you're gonna get so tired of making 8. Okay? Make it like a lot. 4 smalls and 4 bigs. 4 bigs. 4 bigs and 4 smalls. You can do it. I stopped that pencil. That's good one. So do like that, okay? Now let's do a bigger one. Not like more taller. Okay? Not like this, okay, children? Let's do it a little bit big. A little bit smaller, okay?
Okie dokie,
Looks
Loki.
like I can do it. It's like this. But it's like there. Go. Oh yeah. I don't know what we were doing. Like this. Wow. And then like this. Nice, right? Nice or good? You picked good. Kids, you can ask the grown-ups to cut the leaves for you because if you do it, it's dangerous. Don't do that, okay, children?
Gotcha.
So now let's ask my mommy to cut. Now I got the 8 leaves cut already. So let's cut them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 big ones. In total, 8 leaves. So now let's start to paint. I'm so excited to paint. Now it's time to do the green. Blue plus yellow equals green. And we're gonna use this for the highlights. It's a snake thing. It's like that, you will not know. So we already got some blue right there. This. Some. Ooh, you see the green coming?
That's so cool.
I think we need like some more blue. Let's do it. What is this?
Nice.
We need like some more paint. Swipe, swipe. Once this area is dry, we can do it on the other side. See?
Okie dokie.
And we need to do all the 8 leaves, okay? All of them. So let's put it here. Oh. Let's pick another one. I want to pick a big one. Now let's do the highlights on the edge. See, we got the yellow. And the green is done. Oop. Oop. See the pointy edge? Let's try. Ooh, it's working. But it's like these, like these.
I want to try it.
Now the paint is dry. Let's put now the clear coat. Whoa. See the colors, guys? It's popping out.
That's so cool.
Ooh, this is my favorite part. Come on, let's get some more. Oh no, I can't reach it. Okay. There we go. Careful. Let's take the small part. The small part. Ooh. Let's mix. Look,
That
guys,
was
the
fun.
colors popping out. And if we do the other side, we can make more of them. Woohoo! Let's do the more ones. More. Look at these.
It's beautiful.
Plants, guys. Now you know what it is? It's a snake plant. I thought you thought it was a tree, but I think you already know that because it's up hot. So it's a plant. Look at the leaf.
I love it.
Let's make some curls so it'll look like a real leaf. Wow, this is the smallest. It's like a slide. Wow. And these are the other ones.
They're so cute.
Big one, big. Now it's time to put the plants in the pot. But that's not it. We need to put the Play-Doh, remember? Well, there's a lot of Play-Doh. The crumbly ones. The crumbly ones are gonna come out, but they can't. Oh, that's one. Some more.
You can do it.
No, can come. This is like a lot of Play-Doh. But I need to use this long time ago. I need to play these long time ago. I didn't play with it long time ago before. So, oopsie. These Play-Dohs are not come yet. Make it tightly. Okay, since we're done, let's put the end of the paintbrush of this. Put it like that. Need a little bit more until the end. What is this? Is this? Let's try again. So we're done. We can put the plants. Wait. Are we painting or something? Oh my God.
Keep it up.
Okay. Yay. I'm gonna put the plants in. There we have like one plant going right there. We can put the plants right there.
Amazing.
Now let's put the other one. Oh, do some more. Remember the tea bag? It's gonna be the soil above. If you don't have any Play-Doh or tea bags like this, you can just use the real soil.
Gotcha!
So let me just put like a hand like that. Here. Put some in the other side. Look at this snake plant, guys. This looks cute and it looks real as this cute snake plant.
I love it!
Wow.
It's beautiful!
Looks real.
That's funny!
Can't hear it. That's it, guys. I hope you like my video. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos, guys. Bye, guys. I'm going to wash my hands.